Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Plug in the charger or ensure battery is at least 50% to prevent shutdown during upgrade. Once backed up to your Google account or a local drive, you protect photos, messages, and settings. Make sure you have at least 5 gigabytes of free storage. Now open Settings, go to System Advanced System Update, and tap Check for Update to start the download. This initiates the first actionable step toward Android 12. Once the update is available, choose Wi-Fi to download the package. This avoids mobile data charges and is typically faster. Confirm the update size, and if offered, schedule a convenient install time so you avoid interrupting work. Make sure any pending apps are closed. During installation, the device will download, verify files, and reboot into a recovery phase where Android patches system components. Be patient, because verification and optimization of apps can take several minutes to complete. After installation, you'll land back on the lock screen. Unlock and go to Settings About Phone to confirm Android 12 is active. Next, open Play Store and update all apps to ensure compatibility with new privacy and UI changes. Some apps need updates to avoid crashes. If you encounter problems, like a boot loop or unstable behavior, boot to recovery mode and clear the cache partition first. This often resolves residual conflicts without wiping personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.